Hello and welcome. I'm the True Tech Dad, and today I'm going to bring you this right here. This, if you know what time of season it is, its leaves are all over the ground. So this right here is the Kobalt leaf blower. It's electric corded leaf blower. I've been using my shop vac to actually blow leaves, but it doesn't have the power that I need. This right here is 700 cubic feet and 115 miles per hour. From what I hear is what you need is the cubic feet instead of the miles per hour, because you can have a 210 mile an hour but 300 cubic feet of, and you're not getting too much of anything. So I'm pretty sure there's better ones out there. I went for the corded one because all over my house I have extension cords. I don't have to wait for anything to charge, or if I go to it and have to use it to charge. But this works for me. There are cordless ones, battery powered ones. I just went for the corded one. Got tired of the leaves just falling everywhere and just raking everything up. Need a little bit of a faster process of getting the leaves piled up. And since I work and do YouTube and also training for other things, I had to go get one, and this should help out a little better and go a little faster. So let's pull this out of here. Oh, this is a big boy. This is, for me, it's big. This is pretty big. Got some instructions here, and I don't even know what you would call this, a hose or nozzle, or put this back here. Hopefully you can see that. Alrighty. Let's take this out of here. And this is it. You can see by the size, this is it right here. The cord. And looks like we got the controls here. Yeah, 6 different controls. Not really sure. I'm going to start posting a little bit of information over here on the side for you so you can see it. But basically, 6 air speed settings and some other things here. What I've told you. So I'm going to put this. How do you put this together? Let's go ahead and, I'm pretty sure this is going to be up over here like that. It just went on, locked in place by itself. There we go. I like the little handle. If you ever seen my Nerf gun, I got a Nerf gun about the same size as this, and it shoots a little Nerf balls, and this is pretty much about the same size. I'm gonna get it so you can see. So here we go, and you can see, not too much a difference in size. So let's put this down. So, as you can see. So, let's go try this out. That's a lot of power. A lot of power. It's crazy. liked my unboxing of the Kobalt corded leaf blower. If you did, please press that like button. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. And you see other videos like this also coming out to you. So I'll see you later. Thank you for watching.